Hey everyone, welcome. This is Evolve Dental. I'm Dr. Rachel, a dentist with over 30 years experience. And today we are diving into a topic that many of us are concerned about, and that is tooth decay. Let's explore how to cure tooth decay naturally. Well, first of all, we've got to quickly have a look and understand what tooth decay is. It occurs when bacteria in your mouth produce acids that erode and demineralize the enamel from your teeth. If left untreated, it can lead to cavities and other dental issues. If you feed those bacteria sugars and acids, then your teeth are going to be more prone to decay. So no one wants to go to the dentist and get a filling. No one throws their hands up in the air and goes, yeah! No, you don't. Not even us, even though you're paying us to do it. We prefer you don't get cavities. So I'm going to talk about some natural remedies that are going to help in preventing and even reversing tooth decay. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that involves swishing oil like coconut or sesame oil in and around your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't actually think you need to do it that long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes is sufficient. And it helps reduce bacteria in your mouth and promote good oral health because it is antibacterial naturally. I'll link to a video on that for you. Dietary changes. Now, what you eat is going to play a massive role in your dental health. Ditch the sugars, stop snacking in between meals, get rid of those sweeties, get rid of those acidic things, and you want to incorporate foods that are rich in calcium, phosphorus, vitamins A, C and D. Think things like green leafy vegetables, nuts, grass-fed meats, sardines and salmon. These things contain all those goodies, and you can even supplement with vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 to help actually suck the calcium from the foods and help you absorb them and direct them to the right places in the body. You can use your own homemade toothpaste. You can use something super simple, very cheap and very effective: baking soda and coconut oil. This combination helps to neutralize acids and strengthen your enamel. The coconut oil, as I've told you about oil pulling, antibacterial. The baking soda is alkaline and it's got lots of minerals, and that helps to neutralize acids and re-harden your tooth enamel. You can drink green tea. It's got antibacterial properties. It helps reduce plaque buildup and it supports your overall health and immune system. This is one of my favorites, xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that can inhibit the growth of decay-causing bacteria called Streptococcus mutans. Now look for xylitol gum or mints, and the way you use that is you eat your meal, and then I would encourage you to wash your mouth out with some water or have a drink of water, and then suck on a xylitol mint or chew some gum for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's going to bring in extra saliva. It's going to help bind the minerals back into your teeth to remineralize them. And the other thing that xylitol does is your sugar craving bacteria love it. So they eat that. And what happens is it blocks them up. It damages their metabolism, and then the poor things starve to death and die. I know it sounds cruel, but that means you have less plaque. It also stops the plaque from being so sticky and being able to join together and form the colonies that are harder for you to defend against, and it means that you're going to get less tooth decay. Now we've covered some natural remedies, I want to look at some essential prevention tips to keep your teeth healthy and strong. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes. Floss or clean in between your teeth daily. This is going to remove food particles and plaque that can lead to decay. You need to be hydrated. You need to drink plenty of water. This is crucial. It helps wash away food particles and bacteria, and it keeps your mouth nice and moist, which is essential for good saliva and oral health and to suppress bacteria. Limit those sugary foods and drinks. Reduce your intake of sugary snacks and beverages. Limit the amount of meals that you have each day. The more you eat, the more frequently you eat, the more at risk you are of demineralization, and the less time your teeth has to remineralize and reharden. And then they start to become porous, you get a hole, and now you've got decay. Bacteria thrive on sugar. They eat it and then they poop out lactic acid on your teeth. Ugh. That's gross. So the less sugar you consume, the better it's going to be for your teeth and the less bacteria poo you're going to have in your mouth. Sugar-free gum. Sugar-free gum after meals, this doesn't have to have xylitol in. It just helps to stimulate saliva production, and that's going to help naturally neutralize acids and protect your teeth. Regular checkups. Don't forget to see your dentist and have your regular checkups. We can catch things very early and treat them or help reverse them before they become a serious problem. Now, if you found this helpful, then I would love you to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, maybe pop some comments down below on some natural things that you do to help prevent tooth decay. And in the meantime, I'm going to ask you to check out this video on how to cure and fix a cavity at home so you don't need to have a filling.